Alright, so now we have the cheese part because you can't just buy it as like shredded cheese apparently because that'd just be too easy. And then I've got my milk cooking since I didn't know that evaporated milk is different, but now I do, but I figured out how to make it, so it's all good. So then with this thing, so this is what I had a hard time with. That's not smart. Last time with my little dingy potato recipe. Because you get one of these, and so I'm used to like real cheese graters, and so with this, I think I figured it out where you just take it and do that for a long time, for like I don't even know, for 1 cup. Talk about cheese muscles, oh my goodness. This is like dedication. Like cooking like this all the time takes serious dedication. Anyway, there you go.